Yes, I'm still working on the 2007 Range Rover L322. I hope to have it back on the road officially very soon. But I got a new little gadget I'm using, and I think this is something you should have in all of your vehicles, and it's only $75. This is a portable air compressor with an amazing built-in battery that can charge devices. It goes up to 150 PSI, and it has safety lights. And best of all, it's only $75 on Amazon. Let's take a closer look at this, the VTVKT portable air compressor. 12,000 mAh battery, up to 150 PSI with fast charging. It comes in a nice little case here. You can keep this thing charged. And let me tell you, I have another one of these and the battery lasted the whole season, no problems. You want to check it occasionally, but these lithium batteries, they last. In the case, you get the actual device. This one feels a little more durable than the other one I have. I do like the shape. And like I mentioned, it has that built-in light. So you can cut this on and it has the light. So this is fantastic. If you're on the side of the road and you need to let people know you're there, you can set this and it's gonna flash red, which is awesome. Or if you are camping or you get to a cabin or something, you need light, away you have it. My first impressions though, I like the durability. I mean, it just seems a little more durable than the other ones. It has the rubber on the bottoms, so when you sit it won't slip, but it also protects it. You can see your USB ports here, so you can charge it and you can output and charge a device, which is fantastic to be able to charge your cell phone, just in case you're in an area and you have car issues and your phone may not be exactly where it needs to be. So in the package, you get this guy, it screws on the top. That's how it's gonna detect what PSI is in the tire. You also get your charging cable and output cable so you can charge the device. You get another different tip here. This is comes with the thing so you can charge it in your car or any 12-volt adapter. So that's kind of nice. The other ones don't come with the 12-volt adapter. And then you get a few other different tips. If you're doing a basketball, if you're inflating a like a inflatable for a pool, but for a vehicle, you're basically just gonna need this guy. So using it is pretty easy. You're gonna wanna make sure it has a full charge the first time that you intend to use it. Press and hold the power button. The device is gonna come on. It's defaulting to a car. You see the logo down here. I know these LED screens are gonna make this flash, but there's a car logo. You can adjust how much PSI you wanna put in. I'm gonna say 40. You're gonna wanna put based on what your car tire is charging for. So for me, I would do 40. Again, this goes all the way up to 150 PSI. And if you're gonna do a different vehicle, you have a motorcycle, you have a bicycle, you have a basketball. Those are just default, you know, ones they have, or you could just do whatever you want. But by default, the vehicle is set at 36, but you can adjust that. And then you're gonna take this guy and just screw it on the top. Not too difficult to do here. And this is gonna be for the tire charging that we're about to do. So I'm waiting to put all new tires on this Land Rover, but I haven't yet. So this is a great scenario to test because they are a little leaky. I'm gonna go ahead and hook this onto the tire. So it's reading, it has 24.6 PSI. It's pressed and held on the tire. I'm gonna go up to 40 PSI on the tire. That is what my goal is. And then all you have to do once you have this set for where you want it, you can just go ahead and press the power button and just let this thing run. You can see it's at 26 PSI, 26.1. very efficiently and relatively quickly, it's putting air in this tire. All right, I decided to put a little bit extra in it. I'm still below what the tire calls for, but this thing chugged away, no issues at all. It's not overly hot or anything like that. I've put basically 41 PSI in the tire, and it comes with a full charge. It had 4 slots. Now it has 3 slots on the battery, so technically I could easily do this 4 or 5 times without having an issue. I think for 75 bucks, you can't go wrong. Link in the description. 150 PSI, you could do a major truck with that. You're not gonna need that for a regular car. That just speaks to how strong the pump is. USB charging, a light built in. Can't go wrong. Get one, put it in your car, thank me later. Have a great day. This is Jason with jamzDOTnet, cars, DIY, and adventures. Give me a subscribe. And if you're interested in Land Rovers, this bad boy is going to be back on the road very soon. It's already driving. I just haven't titled it quite yet.